Hey everyone! If you are looking to change the primary account on your Rocket League setup, I will show you how to do it on any device. So now let's dive in. First, you're gonna start by going to the Epic Games website on your browser. First, log into the account currently linked as the primary for Rocket League. Now, if you are unsure, double check your login credentials. Now, once you're logged in, navigate to Account Settings and then go to the Connections tab. Under Apps or Accounts, find Rocket League and click Disconnect. Follow the prompts to confirm the unlinking process. After that, log into the new account you want to set as primary. Go back to the Connections tab, find Rocket League, and click Connect. Now sign into your game account to finalize the connection. Open Rocket League on your device to ensure the new account is set as primary. Your progress and settings should now reflect the new account. And that's it. Your primary account is successfully updated. That is how to change primary account on Rocket League on any device. Now, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe.